Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And one card from the fairy tale oracle. So that will be your guidance, general guidance, guys. So that may answer any questions you have in your situation, Aries. So you can watch that. First, we will start with the general energy, guys. So we have Nine of Cups in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse, and the World in reverse. So, with these cards in your situation, Aries, maybe it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. Something is holding you back today. Maybe you are making lot of efforts, you are working hard maybe to achieve something. It may be in your career or again in your personal life, but there are some delays, some kind of suspensions you are seeing in your situation today, guys. And maybe your in your career, your truth and loyalty is paying off today, guys. Your honest efforts are giving the results today. Things may be what to say, moving towards something positive. You may be seeing some troubles, but apart from that, bit by bit, your problems in your career or in your life, it is slowly resolving, moving towards better prospects today, guys, Aries. And in your maybe in your career, you may be getting some important communication, maybe a written communication, a document which you need today for future progress, or some important deals or agreements. So you are getting that in your hand, which you are expecting for some time now, guys. Or in your life, it may be an important letter of communication you are getting today, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries, for your general energy, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Eight of Wands. So in this connection, in this love, I see you are moving towards a positive growth. So things are going towards something good. Things are speeding up. This love is gaining momentum, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are heading towards engagement or marriage, and things are beginning to take shape between you both, and you both have come to a common decision that you can get married. So a beginning of some great change in your life, guys, a permanent change. So something gives you happiness and contentment. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. And you feel really overwhelmed, loved, and quite emotional when you are with this person. So that compatibility, mutual respect, caring, and love is there in this connection between you both, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what's a card for your career situation. Nine of Pentacles, just like we saw with the previous cards. So some kind of an emotional satisfaction, contentment is there in your heart regarding your situation. So things are moving smoothly. You have peace of mind and you feel happy about how things are going in your life today, guys. Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. So let's see what is your fairy tale. So this card may answer some questions you have about your situation, guys. So it is the red shoes, obsession. So this just means that there is some kind of an offer or opportunity in your situation that is really hard to resist, but you have to think clearly whether you need it, guys. If it is something you can avoid, you have to go and avoid this offer, because something is coming towards you that is going to simply exhaust you and take you to the verge. Maybe it may come as something pleasurable, giving you happiness and joy in the beginning, but it is going to stress you a lot. It may turn out something like an addiction for some of you. So you need to take care of yourself today, or there is some kind of an unhealthy attachment you have. It may be a habit, or it may be some addictions. So you need to be careful about that, guys. So if you do not take steps today to free yourself from this compulsion, it is going to be really difficult, and you may need help from people to come out of the situation. So you have to, if you want a peaceful, happy, and a satisfied life, if you are having some addictions, you need to overcome that, guys. And today you are thinking about something maybe, and you have to think about a strong decision and honest decision that needs to be taken today regarding some difficult problem, guys. Maybe it may be something in your relationship or something regarding your work. So you should think honestly, think about your motives in the situation, then make that decision. So that way it is going to come out as the right decision today, guys. So that is what I see, guys. If you make the right choice, you are just going to end up more wiser, and you will be on the right track, Aries, today. So that is the guidance for you all today, Aries, and that is the reading. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.